No, it's 150 because you guys are foreigners. It's 100 for local and 150 for foreigners.
Creamy latte. Where is that? This is what we need. We need one of these. Took to it felt like there were paintballs hitting us. At least we got food. Oh, listen to this. You need to get from here to there. I think the viewers want you to do the mission. Okay, that's good. I'm just underneath the petrol stand.
Guys, that is the wrong direction.
Alright, we're gonna start heading off, everyone. So jump on. We're gonna head there now. It's gonna be windy, so I can't record on the bike. Plus it's dangerous. So we'll see you at the cold spring in about. Alright, so we're just driving and it got a little heavier in terms of rain, as you can see. So I'm just underneath the petrol stand sort of thing. But it was literally painful hitting us and driving in these conditions. Oh man. So not the best day for a cold spring. You can hear the thunder. Holy. Oh. So yeah, it's a lovely day here in Siargao.
Same birthday, Will, huh?
Yeah, and it's my birthday as well, so lovely day for it. It was very nice this morning though, we got lots of sun. This is pretty funny. So I'm sure it will pass soon and we'll be able to head on, but
Yeah.
what's Melissa saying?
Where are you guys heading?
We want to go to the cold spring. But it's not cold enough now.
So we don't need to cool down anymore because it's already cold enough, but man, look at this. We were literally driving and it felt like there were paintballs hitting us. The raindrops were so big. Oh my god. You can see the trees playing in the rain. Holy.
Quick watch for the bikes.
Yeah, at least the bikes are getting a good wash. So it's been a pretty eventful video so far. We stopped at the local class, caught in a rainstorm. This is what we need. We need one of these.
It's like a proper bus right here.
Well, it's pretty funny. So it only lasts a couple minutes, but it is rainy season, so it might last a wee bit longer. But at least we've got food, shelter, and a bike. So it's still pouring. And the nice lady whose shop we're at just gave us some like tea or free coffee.
You guys get yours. No worries. I think I even had one myself.
So it's so heavy, this rain, and there was thunder just coming down and it literally shook the entire building here. So these girls have also stopped here. Black coffee has been given by the store lady. Here we got like all sorts of snacks and oh, some like sardines maybe. Oh, I'm okay, thank you. We're thinking we might possibly run and go in the rain, but I won't be able to record it because my phone will just get. Oh, listen to this. Oh. I think I've got a latte. I got a latte thing in my bike as well.
Yeah, me too.
I think. Maybe we have a latte.
No, don't get it wet.
It's already wet. Come on, ready.
Stay here.
What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts?
My thoughts are, I kind of would like to have a coffee, but I don't want to open my bike because everything will be cold and wet.
So you've got coffee in your bike, but you need to get from here to there.
1 meter.
It's a big mission. I don't know if you can cross this river.
It's too deep. To do the mission.
I think the viewers want you to do the mission.
Okay, that's good.
No.
Let's go!
He's so
Good job, good job.
Jeez.
Thank you.
Oh, the nice lady's giving us some more cups. Salamat.
Actually, I'm prepared now.
What do you got in here? Oh, your
This is my
towel.
towel.
This helmet's actually quite nice. It's keeping me warm. It's like a beanie.
Helmet?
Yeah. Oh,
Are you still at water?
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, this rain is heavy. Oh, I think it's coming off this roof here. You can see it. How's the coffee? Good?
It's okay. That's a good contact.
Right.
Yeah.
We got some coffee.
Yeah.
The girls are recording.
Yeah.
So we just happened to have this on our bike, which was lucky.
I had the same problem.
So. A nice Nescafe creamy latte.
Good stuff right there.
Yeah. A little bit of water first.
Oh.
Stir.
You have your own way to do it now.
It gets all the clumps out, makes it less clumpy. Rest of the water.
Isn't that too much? I think, yeah. I think that's a lot of water.
Thank you.
No problem. It's still going.
Great filming.
Now it stops.
I think it's almost done.
The creamy Nescafe latte. They were putting a little product placement in there.
Please sponsor.
Oh yeah.
And Nestle US.
The swinging video.
Right.
Yeah.
It's starting to get a little bitter.
Oh, wait, you have it.
Kind of, not really.
Yeah, it's on your phone.
But these coffees are actually warming us up.
It's so good. Oh,
So
it
nice.
warms my heart.
Doesn't seem as bad, but it's still pretty bad. How long do you think we've been here for? Probably like,
Good 30 minutes at least, right?
You should try the cave if you want to do this one.
Huh?
what's
You
this?
should try the cave if you want to do this.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That looks so nice.
That looks actually nice.
Where is that?
Kayabangan Cave. Kayabangan Cave.
Kaya what?
Kayabangan.
Is that what the
think
the
I've-
lady just told us at Happiness
I
Festival?
think so.
After Maating River, then you just
Yeah.
6 minutes drive away from there.
That looks so sick.
There's an entrance fee of 400. And you pay the guide at least 100.
But definitely worth it.
Oh no, it's 150 because you guys are foreigners.
Yeah.
Like what for? What?
It's 100 for locals
Yeah.
and 150 for foreigners.
Okay.
I mean, technically, I'm a
Every
foreigner. What?
But they don't. Yeah.
They don't know.
Are you guys gonna go to the rock pools? I mean the
Bugak Falls?
cold springs still?
Yeah.
Is it the falls or I thought we're gonna go to the
it's
other
Cold
one?
Springs.
Cold Spring.
Cold Springs.
I thought we're gonna go to the other one.
There are actually 2 cold springs there, the Bugak and
And,
Beto.
Ooh.
So,
I heard the Beto is better if it's going high tide now.
Wait, how is there? It's not even ocean water.
there it is. The ocean water will pour into the fresh water because it's high tide already.
It's going high tide.
Ah.
Are you sure we're talking about the same thing?
Bugak.
Yes, we were talking to the locals.
The two, it's like 2 big pools, kind of.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can show you the picture. I was there last time.
Okay. The girls are off,
The girls are way tougher than we are.
but we're gonna head back as well.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go to the cold springs
and
today.
they-
Maybe another day.
Guys, that is the wrong direction.
I think they're going. They're gonna go to the cold springs. Ah.
I told you.